Welcome to this quick guide on getting started with Traggo. Traggo is a super easy to use, open source time tracking tool that helps you stay organized and boost productivity without the hassle of traditional timers. Let's jump right in. First, head over to launch.knife.io and log into your account. If you're new to Knife, you can quickly sign up and get started. After logging in, you'll be taken to the dashboard. Now look at the sidebar on the left. Find and click on Marketplace. This is where you can explore and deploy various applications. Here, search for Traggo. Once you see Traggo, hover over it and click on Deploy. Now edit your username and password to set up your account. Once you're done, click on Submit to complete the setup. Deploying this application will only take less than 30 seconds, so sit back and relax while your app is being set up. The deployment was successful. Now, let's click on Open App to access. Now, enter the username and password you created earlier. This will log you into Traggo. Now, let's see how Traggo works. You'll see a placeholder that says Enter Tags. This is where you add a tag to categorize your time. Let's create new tag if I type knife and press Enter. Next, choose a color to organize it visually, then click on Create Tag. Now, just type what you're working on, press Enter, and then click Start. This begins tracking your time. Once you've finished your task, just click on Stop. Traggo will automatically record how much time you spent on it. You can add multiple tasks this way and track all your activities effortlessly. On the left sidebar, you'll also find the calendar view, where you can see all your tracked time organized by date. This makes it super easy to review your work at a glance. And that's it. Now you're all set to track your time efficiently with Traggo. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Thanks for watching.